Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to go public on Twitter. First, open the Twitter app on your phone or go to the website. Look for your profile picture, usually in the top left corner, and tap or click it. This opens a menu where you'll find Settings and Privacy. This is your gateway to managing your account's visibility. It's a straightforward process, taking less than 1 minute to initiate. Once you are in Settings and Privacy, you will see several options. Tap or click on Privacy and Safety. This section is dedicated to controlling who sees your content and how others interact with you. Next, look for Audience and Tagging. Here, you will find the Protect Your Posts option. This is the key setting that determines if your account is private or public, so pay close attention. To make your account public, simply toggle the Protect Your Posts switch to the off position. You will then see a pop-up message explaining that your future posts will be public and your past protected posts will become visible to everyone. Read this carefully, as it's a significant change. Confirm your choice, and your account will instantly transition from private to public, reaching a much broader audience. With a public account, anyone on Twitter can see your posts, not just your followers. This means your tweets can be retweeted, quoted, and liked by a much wider audience, potentially reaching millions of users. You will likely experience increased engagement and gain new followers more quickly. Remember, this also means your content is broadly accessible, so consider your privacy preferences carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.